Welcome to Kingston. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Mobile, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go.
Everybody white girl a country boom boom we inky so.
We are ramping, me will dig out your blood clot eye. When I think some young blood clot, you better not make me catch in a blood clot England big pussy girl. Me say me swear the last time I see the girl give me drink. You must have pies a blood clot me, I no know. You gone too far, girl. Me I tell them when I come to South London, come look for you. You better not make me see you know. Me got prison for you. I'm not laugh with blood clot, you danger. Me. Looking at my eyes. Girl, don't make my blood clot. That's a threat. You never hear me threatening nobody yet. Looking at my eye. That's a blood clot threat. But mother, don't use violent word for look hype. For discriminate my feelings. My hurt my loss of my marriage. My separate of my marriage. Don't take my fucking marriage for no drug, girl. I will kill your dirty blood clot. Carry this gas station. And tell them, me threaten you.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Pussy Tuesday, boom boom, I represent.
Bless hello and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Line and line, I speak about myself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. We say give thanks to life, give thanks to another day, blessed Sabbath. Anyone in there? I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health, in my health of our wealth. Then, yes, man. Viewers and subscribers come up in this like when I stay a long time, I work with them. You know what I mean? Yeah, but anyway, Danger do a song me mad out, Queenie and mad out. And Queenie clap back with her live. Big up Queenie. You're the gangster. Queen, yeah. Girl, woman power. Big up sexy Danger. Best that you will ever get. That's what I say. Bossing Queen. Yes, man, man of me. Yeah, you can dance and turn up. But anyway, Danger do a song named Mad Out where she say, yo, Queenie and Mad Out and Queenie take the worst man on the planet and every day is a different disrespect. You see me? And, you know, do it. Our country. We're doing what we do to the white woman there, you know what I mean? The tongue thing there. I don't know if I throw a line about yeah. Anyway, really clap back. So I'm not going to hear a Queenie say. But you can let me know anything in the comment section if Danger was right to do that song. Seeing that Queenie is well mourning right now with her relationship and grieving, you know. Because her do it is not around her, you know, Queenie love her, do it, and not coming back home. Anyway, yeah, let me know, because I see a lot of comments, some people have said Danger should allow Queenie because she got through a moment now, so she shouldn't use that opportunity to make it worse. And what Queenie has said, I watch Queenie live, and that's what Queenie is saying, you know. Our relationship is in tatters, and the angel, even the angel, sexy Danger, I use that moment to capitalize on it and make it worse. So she said she will take it further, see her and beat her up and everything. That's really a saying. So everybody here I go on. The viewers and subscribers. So before we kick off with the video, I don't know. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and keep the bell. See it? And the man of face. I also live in peace and love and unity and strength. Blessed love. Yeah, man.
The blood clot for my truth. Who you? What is your life? Go on and eat your blood clot bed as me tell a girl for the mosquito them. You rude little girl. You know much dance and blood clot paste me now you take picture and jump on my blood clot back and I look out the bit of something. How we all look bus offer? Who for husband? Make him stay when blood clot there God send him there. Me and God. I'm glad where him there. Make him take him blood clot freedom. It's still my husband. And no, take no liberty with him. All enemy eat blood clots me. And that's the God Almighty truth. Make sure not think before no blood clot trouble me. You hear that? I don't care if my love Dewey and Dewey not love me and Dewey. I don't give a fuck. My name Mistress Scarlett. I don't business if my married to the marriage, the name or the fucking wedding. It's my dirty blood clot manage. And no girl. You think a dolly blood clot house too? You see me there for girl? You know much hurt me got you big pussy blood clot girl. What you want to knock me? Come stand up for my husband, come in and walk and take 10 alligator, 9 crocodile, me 8 blood clot caterpillar, 7 giraffe, 6 kangaroo, 5 blood clot mosquito, 4 oar, 3 I'm a lucky number. Big blood clot done the old girl. Mother beat out your blood clot in a London. What you mean by the worst, man? Who you? Not putting a blood clot worse for my husband. You're fucking rude. I telling the son to take joke, watch through my complaint and I me blood clot feel it, I me for blood clot curse him. And then no matter how you see my cousin, I still go back and pray for him. So you think me that I feel good and the song bad. Not under my dead blood clot by the big pussy. All when me not see blood clot, you me dig out your blood clot, I danger. Don't take my married life for no blood clot song, Macri. You know, some own husband do one song. And say, cut the crap. I am married, just said that about. I'm a done him dirty blood clot. Why you think I go come over here, come done my husband? Me not even care about me where you done. Me a trim the danger, mother beat out your man blood clot. Mother poison a dirty blood clot. When I come suck out the blood, so about you all when I have danger. And this thing I want, me give on a blood clot. It and I come talk about my pop down. Me can't blood clot pop down. Cause God is in me. I'm in a trouble, none on them. I be my blood clot self. I'm a showing us a life come with the good, bad, and the ugly. And that you can't appreciate because in a blood clot real. And true in a real and no one for sweep me disgrace on a blood clot carpet. And true me not sweep it on the carpet and the carpet. Me have to appreciate blood clots me. You see the dead left blood clot pit where me have a gone. In a dead blood clot grave shall turn for me. Because she appreciate me dead and living and alive or any blood clot thing. Me not ask you no. I see the 4 we left, plus the 2 grandbaby. All when them can't blood clot stand, but the love when I share with them. Oh no. Them appreciate my marriage. And them never blood clot pass and place with it. My kids them. My mother. My baby father. Who blood clot, no? Why you think me Anglo no dirty blood clot like dog? Me think within my family home. You hear that? All when the man no want me, my family accept him. And them show him that respect. None of blood clot no not tear him down. Me have set a perfect blood clot example for sure no. Who appreciate the word marriage. And carry me dirty blood clot. Me listen to Nas. Me listen to Escada. Me listen to Roger. Me listen to Lady London. Me listen to Riley. Me listen to Ace. Me listen to Blandine. Me listen to Jerry, my brother. Me listen to my baby father. And none of them no condemn do it. Which one on a blood clotting can condemn do it? Eh? I'm sit down and tolerate it because the man no want me and the run again. I cannot and become down blood clot my life girl with no song. Go make blood clot it off of your own song. I'm a big thinking blood clot pussy me that send on. Big stretch out catches danger. I eat me to send blood clot out and tell a girl to come stifle it and give me a career. Me not suck out people like vampire danger. Don't run a blood clot joke with my husband. Dirty blood clot danger. Yeah, your Batman, man. Yeah, your Batman, baby father, when name bottom. And come kill me dirty blood clot and curry me for my marriage. I eat my marriage for better, for blood clot with till that does blood clot. And come kill me for my dirty disgraceful marriage. You stink like under me. Fuck. Fucking rude. But I sang bad. I wanna think I can blood clot Mac. You know my China me sit down and watch me black about me and I say, cho. But you're going to blood clot far now. What you think? The DJ and the nation, them are going to run with your blood clot song for Mac. Me bet you and the DJ them. God paralyze on a dirty blood clot. You can't take my earth and make me. Anyone of your dirty blood clot DJ them I think you're not going to make me. God paralyze on them. All for marriage and I take for blood clot song mackery. For aunt who? For aunt blood clot who? Why you want to kill blood clot me like how do you want? Kill me danger? May I ask you a question, girl? The last time I swear I feed you, that feed me in the blood clot club. But who you right song I rise up against? Danger? You want to take my girl power, danger? It hurt you when you see much girl itch by my page to the girl with the man with the girl, the woman with the man that want danger. Don't grudge blood clot. I'm going to send out your big wagga wagga pussy. You know, since I never shame my hand that blood clots me. That's why I still stand firm. Who you think you can shame, girl? Leave my marriage. And don't make my blood clot marriage more hurt enough. My blood clot face there then top. How you take for blood clot, Joe? No man never butter your big pussy, girl. Me not even remember your stinking man them where you get. I mean, no one call them blood clot name more than my class on a dirty blood clot. May I ask you something? Go sing by your blood clot self. You're rude. You're fucking rude. Liberty come to blood clot carelessness. I have my blood clot strength. I'm out for defend myself. And we are rampant. Me will dig out your blood clot eye. When I think some young blood clot talk, you better not make me catch in a blood clot England big pussy girl. And we are rampant. Who for marriage? Boy, me take the worst, man. I'm for be worst to you. You're a blood clot curse to me and do it. Because you must make blood clot fake page and send all your big thinking wagga wagga pussy and say, have this is better than Queenie's. Queenie, calm down. This big, I'm glad I'm powerful and terribly. So what a rude girl. I swear the last time I see the girl give me drink. You must say, pies of blood clot me, I don't know. Now who you? Long live Queen Lady Gangster. I mean, I ask you. You think my people that might sell out your dot, sell me out for you? Or who you think? Or who you, man? You think as a pastor get them going, girl? You know much disrespect me take upon this. You know much hurt. You know much emotion. You know much confused. I'm still there here and make people laugh. Still stand up and have a smile. How you want blood clot Makiti? Make me undo with Mako one another. With a little flu itch on the wing. You're gone too far, girl. Me I tell them when I come to South London, come look for you. You better not make me see you, know. Me got prison for you. I mean, I laugh with blood clot, you danger. Me. Looking at my eyes. Girl, don't make my blood clot. That's a threat. You never hear me threatening nobody yet. Looking at my eye. That's a blood clot threat. But mother, don't use violent word for look hype. For discriminate my feelings. My hurt, my loss of my marriage. My separate of my marriage. Don't take my fucking marriage for no drug, girl. I will kill your dirty blood clot. Carry this gas station. And tell them, I threaten you. I not run no blood clot into them. I kill your dirty blood clot, girl. No way I do, girl. You think it nice?